Ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro. Hagani ka step nga kwah nai Khublei yo Chief Minister Jonga Jala Meghalaya. Khublei Shibun mardor ya ka jingaidaw Jonga Voice of the People Party. Ban penmana pat ba no ya ka report Jonga expert committee. Wat lada ka party ka Sngewbha thamula ya ka jingkren ka jung Chief Minister. Ubala penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Permana pat ba kloy ya ka report ka day namar ba ka report ka la jrong pala bat ka la khaya pala ngim pat ju kami osmo ko ya ka bukum kani ka jingaidaw jonga sarkar lese ka sarkar MDA balai lam ka NPP ka pension mongrim ya ka policy da ka jingjrong bat ka jingkhia jonga ta ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kermen ka baskem baga sarkar kan shu kular thli ban permana pai ba no ya kali ka report bangi the community passion ka sarkar jala kan permana pai ba no ya kali ka report jong ka expert committee Khublei Shibun. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his swift response to the demand of the Voice of the People Party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the Chief Minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.